How to fix Instagram Reels option not showing problem solved. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you I'm going to show you the to fix the problem if you're not getting, or if you're not if the Instagram Reels is not showing on your phone. So today in this video I'm going to show you the full tutorial here. As you can see, I have already fixed the problem, but I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So what you need to do here, it's very pretty simple. You just need to go to your Play Store here. So after going to Play Store here, you just need to search for Instagram. Okay, so after searching for Instagram here, let me just show you. You have to just click here, and after clicking here, you can see in the bottom here, you can see you are a beta tester. So make sure to join the beta tester. So here you can see leave option. You will find a join option here. So simply you need to tap on the join option, and then here after joining, you will find this type of beta version here, beta option. So you are a beta tester of Instagram. Let me just explain you what this beta means. Beta is actually an advanced user, is a user that if Instagram update anything, you will be the first one to get the beta, to get the features like anything Instagram updated. And if you want to become a beta tester, just scroll down here and click on join button, and you can become a beta tester. So after doing this, if you're not a beta tester also, no need to worry. What you have to do here, just make sure to update your Instagram. So after updating your Instagram, you can check it out whether you can get this item or not. So if you're not getting, no need to worry. What you have to do, the last thing what I'm going to show you to fix this problem, that is you have to just uninstall your Instagram here. So after uninstalling your Instagram, what you need to do, you have to just go back to Play Store once again. After going to Play Store here, you have to reinstall your Instagram, and then your problem will be absolutely solved. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. If you like the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.